Good morning, students. So, today, from the chapter number 3, the next concept we are going to learn, that is a table tag and the form tag. Certain examples based on this we are going to observe in this video, as well as the attributes of table tag as well as form tag we are going to see. Now, creating a table. Now, everybody knows a table. It is nothing but a combination of rows and columns. The rows are always known as the horizontal rows and columns are always called as the verticals. A table is made up of certain number of rows and columns. A table in a web page is created by a table tag. Now you know the tag. So tag is always enclosed within the angular brackets. So here to insert a table within the web page, we use the table tag and the closing tag is slash table. It is a container tag or pair tag because slash table is always given after ending of the table. The tags and attributes used to create a table are as follows. So first one is the table tag, which is used to indicate the creation of table. Always the table start with the table tag. Second one is the caption tag, which is used to specify a table heading. It has align attribute which can have the top or bottom as its values. The top is the default value. To insert the caption to give the heading for the table, we use the caption tag. Then always a table is followed by three different tags. As you know, whatever fields or whatever records we write in the table, they are in the horizontal manner. So first is always tr tag. This tag is used to create each row of the table. So always we have to go row wise. So tr and slash tr tags. This is a container tag which is used to insert a table row. Th tag indicates the table heading. So th is generally used for the first row column content of the table. That is, if you want to give the heading as a roll number name or number, customer name, bill number, bill date. So these are the headings for the table which are given by the th tag. It displays the content in the content of the table. It displays the content in bold format. It can be replaced with td tag, which is used to insert the table data. So it specifies the data within the table, that is the cell content. Both th and td are used to insert the cell contents. So the structure for the table is table tr, write down the content th with the slash th or td and slash td, close it with slash tr and then slash table. So the table starts with the table and ends with the slash table. In between, according to the each row, you have to insert the tr and th tag. Now the attributes of table tag. The first attribute is border, which is also called as the grid line. This attribute is required to display a border for the entire table. It has a numbered value. If the border attribute is not specified, a table is created without border for both table as well as the columns. Second one is border color, which displays the color to the border. Two attributes are there. One is border color light and one is border color dark. Next one is align, which aligns the table either to the left, right or the center. BG color, which sets the background color for the table. Now the attribute of tr, th and td tag. First one is align, which aligns the text horizontally. The values are aligned to left, right and center. Next one is call span. Now to insert the columns into a row form. To merge the columns, we use the call span attribute. This attribute is used within the th or td tag. It creates a single column spanning across the table. By merging the columns, you can form a row. It takes a number value based on the number of columns to be spanned in a table. Second one is row span. This attribute is used within the td and the th tag. It creates a single row spanning across the table. That is, rows are combined by a column. It takes a number value based on the number of rows to be spanned in a table. Tr, th, td tags can have the bg color attribute for specifying the background color to a row or a column respectively. For example, now let's have the example based on the table. So the program always start with the doc type HTML, head, title slash head, body. Table border is equal to 2. Now as per the output, it is divided into 3 columns and 4 rows. So first is the heading, that is serial number, input device and output device. So as in the table we have to go row wise, so we are going to start with the tr, th. Th and slash th is used to write the contents of the table. So first th, serial number slash th, th input device slash th, th output device slash th. After output device, the row gets over, so here you have to close it with slash tr. Then again start with a new row for the first record, that is tr, td. Now records are inserted by td, that is table data. So td1 slash td. First input device is keyboard, so td input, td keyboard slash td, td monitor slash td and slash tr, because after monitor the row ends. Again start with a new row, that is tr, td2 slash td, td mouse slash td and td printer slash td. After printer row gets over, so it is closed with slash tr. Again for the new row, the last row, tr, td3 slash td, td joystick slash td, that is the second record, td plotter slash td and slash tr. Close it with slash table. Then as your row gets over, so table is closed, table with that body is closed, that is slash body and then slash html. So output you can see below, that is SR number, serial number, input device, output device, first, second and third numbers, keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer and joystick plotter. So always we have to go horizontally, that's why the records are inserted horizontally. The next one is another example by using row span and col span. In the first table, if you see, there are 3 columns and 3 columns are combined by a student row. In second example, second image, you can see the 2 rows 2 and 3, they are combined by 1 and 4 columns. So in the first example, the student is combined by 3 columns, so columns are merged by a row, that's why the col span is used. In the second example, 1 and 4, they are merged by the second and third row, that is rows are merged by a column, that's why row span is used. So doc type HTML, HTML head, title slash head and body. Table border is equal to 2. Two attributes are given, that is cell padding, which is used to give the adjacent spacing between two cells, that is 9, and cell spacing means the vertical spacing between two cells, that is 7. Start with the first row tr, th. Now you see the 3 columns are merged, so number of columns spanned is 3. Col span is equal to 3 student slash th slash tr. Now roll number, name, marks or 1 Sagar 125, they are not merged by any single column or a row. That's why normally you will write it as tr, th roll number slash th name slash th marks slash th and slash tr. Second row tr, td1 slash td, as it is a record, so we are using the table data tag, td sagar slash td, td125 slash td and slash tr, which is closed with slash table. So first table is over. Now go for the second table. Table border is equal to 2, cell padding 9, cell spacing 8 and align is center. Again start with the tr, th row span is equal to 2. If you observe here, second and third, these are the 2 rows, they are merged by a single column 1. So th row span 2 1 slash th2 slash th, because it is not merged, and after 4 your row gets over, so th row span 2 4 slash th. and slash tr. Now 1, 2 and 4, these cells you have to consider in one row. That's why it starts with the tr and after 4 you have to close it with slash tr. Again third will be your separate row, so tr, th, 3 slash th and slash tr. After that your table ends, so slash table, slash body and slash html. So this is the example of your call span as well as the row span. Now next one is creating hyperlinks in a web page. Now what do you mean by hyperlink? Hyperlinks are used to connect one document with another document, or if you want to connect the web pages together, then you can connect with the hyperlinks. The links are created by using a tag which is called as the anchor tag. So how to write for the anchor tag? So tag is ahref is equal to mypage.html. So here always the local web page is connected. So my web page.html or mypage.html, this is the web page which you are going to connect with the anchor tag. Click here for my page, that is the text link, and then close it with slash a. So first one is ahref, where which page you want to connect, which web page you want to connect, which HTML file you want to connect, that you will write. Next one is the text link and then closing tag is slash a. The href attribute in the above syntax is used to specify the address of the file or URL which needs to be opened on clicking. Now HTML, a hyperlink by default appears blue in color. Now if you visit Yahoo or Google, when you click on certain keyword, then always it appears with the underline and blue color. That is the active link color. That is called as the hyperlink. That means one web page is connected with that one. It is not visible by the any user. A visited link color, once you click on the link, it will turn into the purple. So visited link color is purple and underlined. An active link color is always underlined and blue. An active link is underlined and blue. So image as a hyperlink. So many websites have images as hyperlink. For example, the previous arrow is an image which on clicking displays a previous web page. The arrow is actually an image, hyperlink is. Now see, when you click on the image as a hyperlink, that means one image is inserted instead of the text link. So between a and slash a, always you have to insert imgsrc tag with the alt or title attribute to see the images of what. So here ahref is equal to mypage2.html local web page is connected. Image src tag with the arrow.gif image is inserted and then it is closed with slash a. So when you see image as a hyperlink, then always a and slash a in between the image src tag is used. Forms in HTML. So here now next concept is the forms. So forms in HTML. Now you have inserted the different forms. You have filled the information. For example, while filling the 10th standard, 11th standard online form, that is part 1 and part 2, you have filled with your name, address, exam seat number, you have selected certain colleges to get the admission. So when user fills the information, that is in the form of form. So forms are used to collect the information from the user. So user actually enters the information and one can collect the information with the help of form. So it is used to accept user input. The form in HTML is created by using form elements such as form and slash form tag. There are different controls of the form. A form is a collection of different elements also called as the controls. So there are various buttons like text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, text area, select. So with the help of that, user can able to insert the information. Attributes used with the form element are name, action and method. Name, it specifies a name to a form. Action, the action attribute specifies the path where the form is to be submitted. When user clicks on submit button, if the action attribute is committed, the action is set to the current page. And method, The method attribute specifies the get or post method to be used when submitting the form data. Method of the forms are get or post, from which we are always using the post method, which is used to submit the information to the server. So the tag is form method is equal to post, name of the form, whether it is a feedback form or online booking form. So that name you can insert, the controls you will insert within form and then close it with slash form. Now attributes of input tag. Input tag is used to insert the controls of the form. There are certain attributes of input tag, in that the first one is type, which is used to define the type of control. For example, it is a radio button, or it is a text box, or it is a select tag. So different controls you can insert with the help of input tag. Second one is name, with the name which is given to a particular control. For example, if the field name is the username, then you can write the name as the username. Max length, maximum how many characters are inserted in the text box, and the password control. So normally when you insert a password, then it is of 8 characters. So you can write the max length as 8. Whether you cannot insert extended number, that means if number extends after 8, then it will not take the next ninth number. So maximum how many characters you can insert, that number you can write in the max length. Size defines the size of the text box. Suppose for address you require more size, so you can write the size as 30 or 40. Checked. The default selection of radio or checkbox is checked. That means whether the radio button, that is a circular button, is selected and checkbox is selected. So checked value is inserted, and value, the default value to be inserted in the text box. That is, suppose the pin code is fixed, so you can insert the fixed pin code with the help of value. So value is equal to, suppose, 411011. This is the fixed number, and always when the user wants to insert, so that area code is fixed, so value you can write as 411011. Now the input tag has the following controls, in that the input type is equal to text, which is used to create a single line text box. Input type is equal to radio, which creates a radio button. It allows only one selection, that is either true or false, or in the gender you can write male or female. So at a time only one selection is there, that time you will use the radio button. Input type is equal to checkbox, which is a square button which allows the multiple selections. So hobbies, if you want to select, so more than one hobbies you can select. So multiple selections will be there. Input type equal to submit, which displays a submit button to submit the data to form server. Input type is equal to password, which creates a text box with password. Value is either star or the dot sign, where you cannot see the password. Input type equal to reset clears the form data with the reset button. Input type equal to button displays a push button which activates an event. When event takes place, then this button is activated. And input type equal to file, which uploads your documents on the server. So always you can attach the different files with the help of file. Next two tags are there where input tag is not used. So text area and select tag, always remember students that input tag is not used for the text area and select. These tags always start with the text area and the select name itself. The text area is used to insert the multi-line text box. For example, if you want to write the comment or review or suggestions or details, then always it appears in the multi-line text box where you can insert the multiple characters. So the text area tag is used to create a text box with multiple lines. The number of lines and width of the text box are specified by using rows and columns respectively. The text area can have the following attributes, that is name, rows, calls, max length, placeholder, and a required. So the attributes, again I am repeating: name, rows, columns, that is calls, max length, placeholder, and required. So example, if you want to write the text area name is equal to TAL, rows is equal to 5, columns 30, and placeholder your address is required. Placeholder means it will show the user what information the user has to enter. So here immediately after that you have to close it with slash text area. No contents are to be written within text area and slash text area because user is going to insert the information. Second tag is select tag. Select tag always starts with the select that is used to create a drop down list. The attributes are name, multiple, size, selected and value. To insert the list items, use the option and slash option tag. So suppose city you want to insert. So select size is equal to 1. Option value 1 Pune slash option. Option value 2 Mumbai slash option. Option value 3 Kolhapur slash option and slash select. So three cities are inserted, that is Pune, Mumbai and Kolhapur. No input tag is used to define these two tags. That is important, very important, you have to remember, because text area always starts with text area and select tag always starts with the select. Now the next one is, let's see the example. Now here this is a form. If you see the output where the name is entered, city is entered and the address is entered, and below submit send button is given. So here start with doc type HTML, head, title, form elements and text area slash title slash head. Body BG color is equal to cyan, background color is cyan and text color is red. H1 use of form elements. So after that form method is equal to post and action is equal to data.php. That means this file is submitted in the data.php server. Enter your name. So first field name is given where input type is equal to text and name is equal to first name. After that BR tag is given to break the line. Then select your city where the select tag is used. The name is equal to city or city in short you can write. Option Pune slash option. Option Nagpur slash option. Option Solapur slash option. Three cities are included in the list box. So here by default you can see Pune because first Pune we have given, and then close it with slash select. Then enter your address where the text area name is equal to address, rows 3, columns 30. Placeholder your address is required. So user will come to know what the user has to enter and immediately close it with slash text area and BR. Now here input type is equal to submit. To submit the information, input type is submit and value is send. Because send is appeared on the button, so value is send. After completing all the controls, you have to close it with slash form, then slash body and slash HTML. Save this program in Notepad, and to see the output you have to use the web browser, that is Internet Explorer. So this type of output you will get where you can enter the username, select the city and the address, and when you click on send, so it will get submitted to the server.